Hi everybody, Steve Kanjar here at our latest listing, brought to you by the only name you need to know for real estate in Niagara, Peak Performers Realty and Team Moving Niagara. Today, we're at a beautiful executive two-story in the city of Welland, 79 Heritage Lane to be more specific, steps away from Fonthill. Outside, we have a two-car garage, interlocking brick driveway, sitting porch, and so much more. Lots to see. Inside, 3+1 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and just under 2,400 square feet finished. Basement has a salon, a workshop, and more room to grow. If you're looking for the executive family home, this is it. Let's go upstairs and have a look.